They're dolphins. They're dolphins. Holy shit, look at how many. They're all dolphins, see?
Yeah, they're dolphins.
I've never seen so many dolphins.
Hey guys, welcome back. So today we crossed the equator and Reg and I decided that we want to celebrate, since usually when you cross the equator people usually celebrate with a glass of champagne, but we don't have any champagne, but we'll be drinking a glass of wine and making a nice delicious meal, some twice baked potato and some steak, and relax and hopefully watch the fish. Yesterday we saw some dolphins. Hopefully we'll see some dolphin again today. We don't know. We're just gonna relax and celebrate a little bit, just Reg and I. Should be fun, eh, babe? Is that gonna be fun? Huh?
What?
Is that gonna be fun? Celebrating?
Celebrating is always fun.
Yeah. So we're gonna be celebrating tonight. I already started my baking. Yeah. So it should be just a little night, just me and him, just relax and have a glass of wine. This is gonna be my first drink since we started it. Huh?
We've just crossed the equator.
Yeah,
it's not warm.
Yeah, that's what I was telling. Oh yeah, you know, yeah, you're right. We crossed the equator, and I thought it would be very warm after you cross the equator, but it's not warm. It's pretty. It's a little bit chilly today. That's why I was asking him if he really want to go up front, but he said yes, he want to go up front because we're celebrating. So, and that's since we start our sailing every afternoon, we have been going up front and just relax together. So he don't want to stop. He want to do that. So we're gonna be doing that tonight. So yeah, I'm gonna get back to my bacon, and we'll see you guys once we grab the wine bottle and head up front. So, yay. So we're gonna be starting one glass is what we like to have. Glass for me. Beer.
And we're gonna prep to see the temperature. Maybe we're it's not really good. See what temperature, because it's not cold. It's 26.5.
So this is Reg's wind instrument that he bought.
Well, I brought it up front. So you can see the temperature.
Oh.
We find it cold, but it's 26.1, 26 degrees centigrade. Which is 78.6 Fahrenheit. And we find it cold.
It's not cold, it's the cool.
Yeah, I know.
You know?
For a lot of people, they would say that's comfortable temperature. For us,
Yeah, for me, no, at night. At night, I like that to sleep.
yeah, I know, but a lot of people like it at 21.5.
But this is bad because I don't like. I shouldn't come because I probably didn't even know what it's called.
For me, anything
It's not cold. I can't say it's cold. It was just I had no clothes on, and most people they have this on. I have clothes on. It's better. It's fine. You think it's working? Like.
And it's like the apparent wind. In other words, we're sailing.
But your phone, no, Mom.
Mostly the first one.
Give me some wine. I thought we were celebrating. Reggie even brought our little music. We're just not drinking any wine at this moment because we prefer drinking with his meal and he likes to have his beer at this moment, at this time. So I'm just gonna have a glass of wine by myself. I might just have one glass. You know me. Like every afternoon, Reg and I, we come up here and we relax and we look out at the fishes, if we can see any fishes jump. Huh? No, we look out to see if we see any fish. Yeah, like yesterday we saw some dolphins, which was nice because first we thought it was whale because it looked like there's some big ones, and then we looked closer and realized that it's just little dolphins.
Like 50.
Yeah, around like 50, yeah.
And normally they follow the boat. And this time they didn't follow the boat. They just went across.
Let's cheers to reaching the equator. Yeah, cheers, baby. We crossed the equator, yeah. Usually you celebrate with some champagne. We don't have any, so we're gonna celebrate with a glass of wine and Reg's favorite beer. Yeah, he likes beer. Yeah, later. Yeah. This is not bad.
Anyways, I brought that just for the temperature. I was curious to see what the battery's on.
So you have to plug it in to charge it?
Well, no, it's got a battery.
Oh, so how come it's already dead?
I didn't check.
It's not strong.
The logo, the logo, just looking at the logo. This is the most successful thing.
Yeah.
For sailing, it doesn't matter.
Yeah. So, can you tell them where we're trying to go? Right now, we're like 200 nautical miles away from Galapagos, and yeah, southwest of Galapagos, 200 nautical miles southwest of Galapagos, and we're trying to go south because the wind is more south. So we're trying to sail more south.
The trade winds
Yeah.
established at about 6 degrees and further south.
Yeah.
6 to 30 maybe.
And where we are right now, there is hardly any wind. Now we're starting to pick up a little bit of wind, but like earlier we had to use the engine, which wasn't, we don't like using our engine a lot. And so now it's a little bit better because right now we're not using the engine and we have a little bit of wind, maybe 4 knots, you think? Or 4 or 5 knots right now, which is alright. It's better than using it. And last night, because we were very close to Galapagos, we were like going around in circles for some reason. I don't know why. I think the wind was spinning us around in circles. So we, no, you don't think that's what you think happened? Red, say you don't think that's what happened. What happened?
I think what happened is we were close hauled.
The Genoa?
Genoa was
flickering.
Yeah. And you tried to adjust it.
No.
Adjust the boat.
I didn't try to adjust the boat.
And you went the wrong way.
No, babe. No.
And then you ended up doing the circle.
No, babe. That's not how it is. Remember when we did the circle first? I wake up and say that we did a circle. And then once you fixed it, you went back to bed. And then it happened again. And when it happened again, that's when I went outside and I tried to fix it.
Usually,
but it didn't beep.
When it goes off course, it beeps.
Mm-hmm.
And it tries to correct it.
Yeah, we're talking about last night that the boat went around in a circle and the chart pattern didn't like alert us by beeping. I noticed it because I look on my phone and Navionics and I saw that it's going around, and the wind is so like, what would you say, not dead, it's so weak that you don't even notice it a little bit. You don't notice it much. It's going around.
We only had 4 or 5 knots of wind.
So it was nice to have the phone to look and see, and then after we adjusted that last time, it wasn't doing that. Reg is blaming me. I know him. He think I'm the one that messed it up. I know him. Watch his face. I know he's saying that. Right? That's what you're saying, right?
Well, it was either that or the autopilot computer screwed up.
You don't want to think that. Yeah, I can agree that you don't want to think that, because the thing that is screwed up is like, it's not good.
Having to steer this boat all the way to...
Remember when Nevin told us that we need 2 autopilots? It's like...
He has 2 spares. We don't even have 1 spare.
Yeah.
We should have a spare. But everything is done late.
Yeah. We're just enjoying our time. This is our 2nd week. We hope it goes through like a breeze and go by fast. So we can say that we have 2 more weeks left. But right now we have 3 weeks. This is our 3 weeks left. This is our 2nd week out of the 3 weeks.
At this speed, it would take us an extra week.
Yeah, hopefully.
But hopefully we'll get better winds.
Yeah, I want better winds because I don't think I want to be sitting here for an extra week.
Right now we're doing about 3.5 to 4 knots.
Yeah.
With the motor on the 5 knot. That's why
Yeah.
it's worth it. Doing all that fuel
So guys, we're gonna just relax by ourselves. I'll turn the camera off and I'll turn it on later to show you guys what we're making for supper. So yeah. What are you gonna do? You're gonna take it off and put the other spin?
If I want to go more downwind, I have to go further south. You know, so which means less towards where we want to go, more south, which is a more direct route to better wind. Yeah, we're still like equal to the Galapagos. We're not being past the Galapagos. Still have before we get into the trade. 2 days before going into the trade winds. Doesn't sound good.
So what are we gonna do? Are we gonna leave the sail up? Or take it down.
Take what then?
The sail.
I'm going to take it down.
Need my glasses.
I don't want to be starting the other spinnaker. And the other one, well, I would have to go way that way. I don't want to do that. I'd have to go really, really west, and I wouldn't have good wind for long enough. I'm trying to get the better winds, you know? Like, right now, if I put the spinnaker, we'd have to go that way. The better winds are that way. We need to go that way to go to the Marqueses.
We do?
Yeah, we need to go like that way, right there. But I don't want bad winds all the way there.
So you want to go down and then go that way?
Yeah. Yeah, that's the plan, you know? That's why they go on the other side, to hit those trade winds.
They go here, right?
Well, it's to hit the trade winds sooner. That's the intention.
So maybe at the end that was a good idea.
Well, maybe. No, maybe, but it always depends on the winds that you get, you know? Like right now, what's our best option?
Continue
Besides
going
motor?
down.
Well,
Like because it doesn't
I'm
make any.
trying to go as fast as I can with the wind. I'm doing 3 knots.
But you said that we need to go that way for Marqueses, right? So if we go that way, it's not a bad thing.
Yeah, except the better winds are there. Once I get to the better wind, then bang, I can go for the Marqueses. Rapid.
Then go to the better wind.
Because right now we have like 5-6 knots of wind. That's it. Like predicted, you know?
Then go to the better wind.
Well, that's what we're trying to do, but it's taking forever because we even if we motor, we go 4 or 5 knots. If we don't motor, we go 3-4 knots. Shit. And I can't see motoring just to go an extra mile, you know? So I'm trying to see, like, what can I do to go a little bit faster, you know?
You say it's a back wind?
No, you see it, it's
Yeah.
indicated. It's showing it's what it is. Sometimes it feels like it's not moving, but maybe it's just because.
We're going 2.4.
It's averaging about 3 knots. Which is good.
I guess most people go through it. Not like us, because most of them, they went this way, so they didn't have to go through that.
No, they did.
Yeah?
Oh yeah. You know, they still have to get there. We went there, but don't forget we had 2-3 days of decent wind, so it got us further that way, which is good. You know, like, if you come out this way, like this is where Mike was. Mike got out this way, about here. He's still a long ways.
So we have to go up to here.
Yeah, we need to go down to about here.
That's why I come not a phone. Oh,
Okay, let's say try it there.
in 3 days.
267 knots a month. At this speed, more than 3 days. That's the problem. We're not even doing 100 miles a year. It's shit. Motor, and we're still in shit. But this is part of it, you know?
Yeah.
Sure, everybody would like to have better wind, but yeah, if we had great winds, we could have done it in 2 weeks. It's going to take at least 4. because we're not getting a good wind. These are shit. They were shipped from the time we left, you know. We had a total of maybe so far 3 or 4 days of good wind. 3 or 4 days out of 9. That's not very good, huh? Do I want a motor 8 days, 10 days? No. Because when we get there, if we can't go in, we still need gas. We still need to make water. We still need to maybe move around and go to different places or whatever, you know. So we still need fuel. We can't be out of fuel when we get there. When I wake up, that's what I look like. Not so good, huh? Can we get the sunrise there, Cindy?
Yeah, I was just looking at the sunrise. I'm getting it that good.
Yeah.
This is our what? 10th day?